Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Data Studio for SEO reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Google Data Studio in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You will be directed to the Google Data Studio homepage. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. If prompted, enter your Google account email address. Click Next to proceed. Now, enter your Google account password. Click Next again to log in. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your Google Data Studio dashboard. If you want to create a report, click on the plus icon labeled Blank Report. To access existing reports, navigate to the report. Here, you can see all your previous reports. If necessary, use the search bar to find a specific report. To get data for your SEO report, click on the Data Sources tab. From here, you can add new data sources like Google Analytics or Google Search Console. Click on Create New Data Source to start. Select the appropriate connector for your SEO data. Authenticate the data source by granting access as needed. Now that your data source is connected, return to your report by clicking on its name. You can now add charts, tables, and other visualization elements. Use the design panel on the right to customize your report. Adjust the date range at the top right to fit your reporting period. Once you've finalized your report, click View to see it in presentation mode. To share your report, click on the Share button. You can invite specific people or create a shareable link. Adjust the permission settings to control access. Now you're ready to utilize Google Data Studio for your SEO reporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.